How much will 1,000 XRP tokens be worth by 2025? Hello and welcome back. Here, I'll be educating you about everything cryptocurrency related. In this video, you'll learn how much 1,000 XRPs will be worth by 2025. The Ripple token is one of the best investments you can make now. Since the turn of the year, XRP's long-term price has been a subject of debate among crypto experts. This is because Ripple is an amazing project but has severely suffered in the hands of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, who has sued the network for violating investor protection laws by selling unregistered securities. While SEC clearly misses the mark on this, XRP's price has sharply fell. In this video, I touch on how this might be a good thing for Ripple and XRP holders in the long run, and why 1,000 XRPs could fetch a decent profit if you buy now. The goal of Ripple is to create a more practical, safer and cheaper payment solution. The network has forged quite a reputation for itself as in partnerships with various international banks and financial institutions, which are making its assignment easier to achieve. These banks are accepting XRP for several reasons, like its reputation, as well as the reputation of the company that backs Ripple up, Ripple Labs. Ripple was designed to be a crypto great. It is a very centralized crypto with a lot of outstanding products that the banks would like to make use of themselves. Thanks to its achievements, the project has become incredibly fast, which makes it ideal for everyday use, whether the transactions are meant to be local or cross-border. Ripple is the name of the company and the network, and XRP is the crypto token. The purpose of the XRP is to serve as an intermediate mechanism of exchange between two currencies or networks. How Ripple works. The Ripple network doesn't run with a proof-of-work POW system like Bitcoin, or a proof-of-stake POS like Polkadot. Instead, transactions rely on a consensus protocol to validate account balances and transactions on the system. The consensus works to enhance the integrity of the system by preventing double spending. Ripple operates on an open-source and peer-to-peer decentralized platform that allows for easy transfer of money in any form, whether it's dollars, rand, euros, or crypto like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Ripple is a global payments network and counts major banks and financial services among its customers. So XRP is used in its products to facilitate quick conversion between different currencies. To understand how XRP works, look at this. Ripple's digital currency, XRP. XRP acts as a bridge currency to other currencies. It doesn't discriminate between any fiat crypto, and that makes it easy for any currency to be exchanged for another. Each currency on the ecosystem has its own gateway, e.g. CAD Bluezell, USD SnapSwap, and BTC Bitcamp. If user A wants bitcoins as payment for the services rendered to user B does not necessarily have to have any bitcoins. He can send a payment to his gateway in Canadian dollars, and user A can receive bitcoin from his gateway. XRP Technical Analysis. There is a strong connection between the dynamics of the token exchange rate and the change in Bitcoin price. It is soaring and falling with the entire cryptocurrency market. The reasons for the price rise are similar to the general premises, due to which the cost of Bitcoin and the entire crypto market increases or decreases. The widespread use of XRP is out of the question. It uses XRP technology, but it remains unclaimed. If it becomes widespread or the other options for the practical application of XRP appear, the token will have real value and objective prerequisites for a significant price rise. XRP coins can serve as convenient and cheap means of payment. The commission in the network is incomparably lower than in Bitcoin, and the transaction speed is higher. It is also convenient enough to use for cheap cross-border transfers. But purchases and transfers with XRP are not as popular as with Bitcoin. In the case of global acceptance of the token, it is better suited for the role of a payment instrument than Bitcoin. The company is not interested in such a development for the coin. Ripple's gains as it eyes Asia. Ripple is already planning to extend its operations to Asia as the network eyes a chunk of the financial market there. It is having a rough year due to its lingering case with the SEC, which has dragged on to the detriment of both parties. The price of XRP was expected to soar above the $2 mark this year, but the company hasn't been able to go public. Despite everything, the company has kept its cool, rolling out new projects and making acquisitions to cement its place as the leading blockchain payment provider. Ripple is now looking to further push their services in Asia, having recently deployed its on-demand liquidity through RippleNet, which allows corporations to convert fiat into XRP and vice versa. Ripple already links Japan and the Philippines. Remittance is a huge sector in world finance with billions of dollars flowing around the world. Ripple is aiming to become the largest remittance solution provider. Ripple will compete with traditional remittance providers and has to be at the top of its game to make it. The remittance market of Japan and the Philippines is worth nearly $2 billion, with many interests already being explored. SBI Remit, a Japanese payment provider, has entered into a partnership with Coins.ph, a Philippine mobile payment service, and SBI's VC Trade, a crypto exchange that unlocks a new remittance channel, made possible by Ripple. With more than 5 million citizens abroad, the Philippines annually receives up to $1.8 billion in remittance. Ripple's interest in Asia cannot be mistaken. The continent, which features a lot of industrialized countries with booming trade, has caught the interest of Ripple. Fintech and other related businesses are lucrative industries in Asia, as it has become a major business hub. This year, Ripple has made moves in Asia as it looks to strengthen its grip on the continent. In March, Ripple acquired a 40% stake in the Asian remittance payment firm Tranglo to enhance its presence in Southeast Asia. Ripple explained that Southeast Asia is saturated with lots of payments and remittance providers, but the continent lacks a cross-border solution that also integrates payment. Ripple is uniquely placed to do this with its existing technology and by deploying ODL across several partnerships. However, despite Ripple's progress in the Asian market, its protracted case with the SEC will continue to hinder its growth in Asia because investors will be wary of future developments coming out of the US. Another drawback is Ripple's rivalry with Stellar and traditional finance payment solutions. This may slow the adoption of its new investments in Asia. What does this all mean for the price of XRP? As the native token of the Ripple network, XRP is the biggest winner from all of this. XRP has been under heat this year amid claims that it was sold as a security and not a currency by the SEC. The price of XRP currently stands at $0.89, but would have been a lot higher had everything gone according to plan. All was going quite well for XRP before the SEC scandal. Following the new developments and advancements in new markets, the price of XRP is expected to soar over time. XRP's utility cannot be overstated, and coupled with the plans to go public after the case with the SEC, the future looks bright once more. Is Ripple's coin supply capped? The Ripple network is used by banks to facilitate fast international payments at low transaction fees. XRP's supply is capped at 100 billion tokens, with 46 billion tokens already in circulation. XRP's price prediction. As one of the next cryptocurrencies expected to explode, Ripple's price prediction is in sharp focus now. According to Wallet Investor, XRP's price could hit $1.28 a year from now, which implies nearly 44% upside potential over the current price. It sees the crypto reaching $2.57 in 5 years, which suggests an almost 190% upside. Digital Coin Price predicts that Ripple will close 2021 at $1.43, which indicates a 60% upside. It expects the altcoin to keep rising in the coming years, crossing $2 in 2023 and hitting $3 in 2025, which implies a 237% upside. Ripple would most likely win the court case against SEC. This will most likely send it soaring towards a new all-time high. Ripple has the potential to disrupt the financial system positively. In fact, it's already doing so, as more central banks across the world want to use XRP as their payment settlement coin. In the short term, I'm predicting $1.50 per token and $3.70 per token in 2025. How high can XRP go? XRP is traded between a low of $0.43 and a high of $1.96 in 2021. It reached an all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018. Since then, it has pulled back nearly 80% from that peak. Investors expect Ripple to rally back to its all-time high and move higher if it wins the SEC lawsuit. Ripple lawyers are putting pressure on the regulator and demanding that it hands over some crucial documents in the case. So how much will 1,000 XRPs be worth by 2025? At the predicted price, you stand a chance of gaining more than 315% profit in 2025 if you buy at least 1,000 XRPs right now. Long-time XRP holders have every reason to be hopeful. The token boasts a lifetime return on investment of $15,000. That shows a $3,000 investment in the altcoin at the earliest opportunity is worth more than $450,000 now. Is it too late to buy Ripple? There's still a chance to make money with XRP coin, except that investors need to be aware of the risk that the SEC lawsuit poses. If Ripple wins the case, XRP's price could soar. However, the altcoin could drop sharply if the SEC wins. Even so, the downside looks minimal, considering the market has largely factored that risk in the current price. Also, there is the rumor that Ripple Labs' IPO and a possible deal with Apple are potential catalysts for XRP. Do not also forget that XRP could benefit from the expanding adoption of the Ripple payment network. Thanks for watching.